Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Matane is a beautiful town in the Gaspé Peninsula of Quebec. Located right along the south shore of the mighty St. Lawrence River, Matane is a vibrant and historic town with so much to offer. Matane has a fascinating history. The name Matane comes from the Mi'kmaq word Mekton, which means beaver pond. This area was part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq people, who used the region for hunting, fishing, and trading long before European settlers arrived. In the 17th century, Matane became one of the first places in the region where Europeans established a trading post. Over time, it grew into a fishing village and later a thriving community centered around the lumber industry. The St. Lawrence River has always been at the heart of life in Matane. The town is famous for its fishing, especially for Atlantic salmon. In fact, Matane is often called the salmon capital of Quebec. If you love fishing, this is the place to be, with the Matane River running right through the town. Each year, thousands of salmon swim up this river, and there's even a fish ladder where you can watch them. Matane isn't just about fishing, it's a town filled with charm and activities for everyone. Take a stroll through its cozy streets, visit local shops, or check out the beautiful lighthouse that dates back to 1906. The Matane Lighthouse is now a heritage site and a great spot to learn about the town's maritime history. Matane is a town that blends natural beauty, rich history, and a strong sense of community. Whether you're here to fish, explore the outdoors, or simply relax by the water, Matane is a place that will leave you inspired.
watching.